In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the routine maintenance on a Champion 100-263 generator. First, you got to remove the maintenance cover, and then you can pop the spark plug wires off using a pair of channel locks. Remove the spark plug with a spark plug socket. Next, we're going to remove the oil cap / dipstick, and then we are going to slide the spring clamp down on the oil drain hose and pull the hose off the plug bracket. And that's how you drain the oil. Once you're done tilting and getting the oil out, you're going to want to replace the oil hose and move that spring clamp back into place. Now we're going to measure out exactly 0.6 quarts of SAE 5W30 full synthetic motor oil. Once you've filled the oil, it's time to replace the spark plugs. The one on the left is the one that was used, and the one that is on the right is the brand new one. And you need to be sure that you have gapped the spark plug to exactly 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters, or 0.028 to 0.031 inches. And the way that you do that is you use the back of this little gap tool to pull it out, and then you can push it down on the part of the spark plug gap tool to make sure that you've got the proper gap. Then just replace the spark plug, put the wire back on, and now we're going to go ahead and change the air filter. And actually this one doesn't look too bad, so we're just going to blow it out and get it all cleaned up and put it right back in. With the engine running, we're going to spray some of this carb cleaner into the throat of the carburetor. And I cannot stress enough that you have to have the engine running while you do this. Once that's done, replace the air filter. And just for fun, I'm adding some of this Marvel Mystery Oil. I've heard great things about it, and it's been a great product for me so far. No, they are not sponsoring this video. Once the engine cools down, we're going to go to the exhaust and remove the screws from the spark arrestor. Grab a flathead screwdriver and ever so gently move the spark arrestor out. And when I say gentle, I mean do not break the wire mesh with the Phillips head. And then gently give it a brush to remove the carbon from the exhaust using a wire brush. Once it's all nice and clean, put the spark arrestor back in and screw the plate back into place at the end of the exhaust. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.